Happy Sunday to all of you, and including Miss Thing right here. It's such a lovely day today. I woke up quite early. I woke up around 6 and it's about 9 o'clock now and I haven't done much. I went to get coffee early in the morning. It's right over there. Oh, hello. She's ignoring me. I'm feeling quite hungry, even though I ate quite a bit last night, like late last night. Does anyone else get hungrier in the mornings when you've eaten quite a bit in the evening prior? Is that just me? But I'm looking a little rough and tumbled. I think today is going to be quite a lazy, easygoing kind of day. Maybe I might meet up my mom for dinner. Maybe I'll meet up with some friends for brunch. I don't know. But I personally quite like those kind of days. So whatever I'm gonna do today, I'll bring you along.
Well, my friends don't care about everything. As long as you got a story to bring, we'll take you along, take you along, take you along to some other places. We drive towards the other horizon, maybe to spend a couple hundred till we run out, till we run out, till we run out of paper and change. Though tell me if I'm starting to think so recklessly, I may just write a letter home to say goodbye to everyone and welcome to the show. Come and see the world in a different light and capture it with all night.
We're going to the farmer's market. I found one that's open on Sundays versus Saturdays, so me and Jess are gonna go to the market.
Well, my friends think I'm a different kind, but there's nothing wrong with sharing my mind to everyone else. Everyone else, everyone else will think that it's weird, so maybe I might start keeping it clean and then with the whole unusual feeling I'll be alright, we'll be alright, we'll be alright for 2 or 3 days, but after all the conversation,
Oh, I have to get a pain au chocolat.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, can I get the pain au chocolat noisette, please?
Of course. Pain au chocolat noisette.
come and see the world in a different light and capture it with all night and take it with me. I just hope that I remember this, 'cause one day it is something I will.
It tastes good, but it tastes like a bread pudding.
Yeah, well, I think that's what it is, or what they're going for. But it is weird.
It is weird.
Still good though.
It's still good. It's good, like the filling. But it doesn't have that like flakiness
Oh,
and like crunch
Yeah.
that you get from normal croissant. Still pretty good.
Vlog, so out here today at chicken. We've got the boneless cheese ling, the tteokbokki, and the vegan fries. Use my promo code at Zoe10 to get 10% off at checkout.
back now from the farmer's market. We also went to get some fried chicken, which was but I think tonight for dinner, depending how hungry I am, because I don't want to force myself to eat food if I'm not hungry. So if I am hungry later, I will probably make just a vegetarian curry. I want to show you what I got today though. I have to say the farmer's market was a bit of a bust. It was quite small. There weren't that many booths or tents that I was like 100% intrigued to look at. I really only got that chocolate croissant, the pain au chocolat with some hazelnuts, and I would give it probably a 6 out of 10. The chocolate was definitely there. It was definitely there, but the flakiness, the butteriness was not there. I'll show you what else I got today. Not from the farmer's market, but from the liquor store. I've been seeing this brand pop up on my social media, and the packaging is what got me. It just looks very, very nice. So this is a gin smash, and it's strawberry lemon flavored, and I'm very excited to try this. I don't usually make mixed drinks at home, but this will be nice. It sounds really refreshing. And something else I got not from the liquor store is this little guy. It's probably so childish, but I think it's so cute. These have been popular for quite a while, but oh my god, he's like so squished. So he's happy if you flip him inside out, and then he's angry if... That's just so cute. So I definitely have to get some work done this week. Quite a bit of work regarding school, just because I've been having a lot of trouble with motivation and just getting to the swing of things regarding writing assignments and stuff like that. I've been talking to my therapist, my counselor, trying to work through it, but it's really hard. Like, I'm not going to sugarcoat it and say like, oh, just shake it off, because that's definitely not the way that I can do it. It's a lot of baby steps and just trying to get into the mindset and the environment to really start my assignments and blast them out, because I have a week. So I'm gonna write down some goals and try to execute them this week and just get on it. I'm going to do some work right now and hopefully bang out a paper. So I have all of this to do, which is quite a bit. I only really want to schedule my days 2 days in advance, just to give some leeway of, you know, if something doesn't go according to what I planned in this schedule. And to be honest, that does happen. I tend to get quite overwhelmed if I plan everything for like a whole week and then I don't end up accomplishing what I wrote I should be accomplished, and then that stresses me out even more, and then it just not a fun time. So try to be strict but also flexible as possible.
You're always talking about leaving, milk carton, black and white face, smile vacant for the picture, parents waiting in the driveway. Oh my darling Arizona, why you packing up your suitcase? Hasn't anybody told you? Try
Got that